In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to duplicate here in Kittl. Now, this is really easy to do. What we're going to do is duplicate these so I can have it on the other side of the design just here. So what we want to do is click onto the image, then we can simply just copy and paste to duplicate. Now it looks like nothing's happened until we move it, and then we can see that we have duplicated that image. Now what we can also do is click onto the image, come to here where it says duplicate, and then click duplicate, and again we can then move that along. And if I want to flip this around, we can come to flip horizontal, and then I have that duplicated. So if we come onto this other image, we're going to click on there, click on duplicate, move along, and then let's go ahead and flip this one as well, just like that. You can also do this on anything as well, including text. So if we click onto the text, we can click on duplicate, we can move down, and now we've duplicated that text as well. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to duplicate here in Kittl. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.